morning, so it's 7 a.m. here. It's already really nice and hot. We're going for some breakfast now. We're going on a boat trip, going to the winery, do a bit of wine tasting because I'm sophisticated like that. And then we're going sandboarding after. I've also been invited to a nudist party, so I'm going to go if I've got nothing on. In a bit.
Países como Sayapas o Ahuetes Negros, los encontramos en la costa pacífica de Centro y Sudamérica y sus islas. Muchos en Galápagos, las Islas Galápagos en Ecuador, en México y en el Perú. Así como encontrar arriba en polluelos de los piqueros peruanos, dentro del nido. You can see the chicks on top.
Michael is having a little sleep. Are you awake now? Are you awake?
Boat today, and we've got Henny, and then who else have we got?
Michael and me.
And we're literally having the best time ever.
So we've been on the boat trip with Michael, and we're going to the winery now to have a few drinks and some piscos before we go sandboarding. Not sure drinking before you go sandboarding is a good idea, but it'll be a laugh anyway and we'll try it. We're now at the winery. We've been trying a few bottles. We bought an orange one for the bus ride. Just at the same time, this is class. I've had 2 goes of it, I'll put the video on. It's really, really good, really fast. Yeah, look at this one. Woo! Woo! Today has been such an amazing day. I'm so happy. It's been really, really good. Loved every minute of it. And we're going out tonight for something to eat. Here's Michael cleaning his teeth. Say hello, Michael. Yeah, we're going out for something to eat. It's a special Peruvian dish. I've never had it before. It's called roast chicken. The guide seems to be really excited about taking us on this. So yeah, I'll have to act surprised when it turns up. We've even tried a hand at synchronised swimming today, so I'll put a little video of that on as well. See you all tomorrow.
No, this is not boring. You can't say that.